Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the log of both sides. So now we have log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 5. Now, an important property of logarithms states that if we have a logarithm in the form log a to the power of b, the power property of logarithms states that I can actually move b, our exponent, to the front of the logarithm. This means that this would equal b times log a. So as you can see, we have log 2 to the power of x, and we can actually move the x to the front of the logarithm using the power property of logarithms. So now this would equal x times log 2 is equal to log 5. Now we want to isolate x, so we have to move the log 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by log 2. So now these two cancel out, and I'm left with x is equal to log 5 over log 2. And if we have something in the form log a over log b, this is actually the same thing, log base b of a. So now log 5 over log 2, this would equal log base 2 of 5, because 5 would be a and 2 would be b. So this is our answer. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 5 to the power of 101 minus 5 to the power of 100. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? And the same thing can be written vice versa. If we have something in the form a to the power of m plus n, this can be written as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So let's say we have 4 to the power of 3, right? And this means this can be written as 4 squared times 4 to the power of 1, because when you multiply these two, the exponents add up, and 2 plus 1 adds up to 3. So now what I'm going to do to 5 to the power of 101 is I'm going to rewrite it as 5 to the power of 100 times 5. And 5 is the same thing as 5 to the power of 1. And 100 plus 1 is 101, so now we are going to subtract this with 5 to the power of 100. And now that both of these terms have 5 to the power of 100 in them, I'm going to factor out 5 to the power of 100. So now we have 5 to the power of 100 times, now 5 to the power of 100 times 5 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is simply just 5, minus 5 to the power of 100 divided by 5 to the power of 100 is 1. So we have 5 to the power of 100 times 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is simply 4. So now we have 4 times 5 to the power of 100. And this is going to be our answer.